Welcome to the beautiful city of Moreno Valley. Right behind me, we have this brand new listing coming onto the market. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, nearly 3,400 square feet. And it has a 3-car garage, a loft on top. It sits on over a 10,000 square foot lot in a beautiful neighborhood. Michael, why don't you just turn it around a little bit and show them what type of neighborhood we have here? All right, guys, so now we're gonna check out the inside. But before we do that, look at this huge parking space. We can have 3 cars line up here. We can have another 3 cars line up here. Another 4 cars line up, and it leads into the backyard with that like RV parking. You wanna park a boat there, which is great. No HOA. We're gonna let you know the price right now. 3-car garage, right? So I mean, if I really were to add all these up, we're probably at about 13 parking spots just at one house, not including all the open space we have out here. Well, Michael, should we show them the inside, man?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go check this out. As soon as you get in, it's just so much space. It's such a big house. Right when you enter, you have this loft area that could be turned into a room if you just put some walls up. Absolutely spacious up here.
Michael, let's show them the weight room, bro, because we got to hit the weight room, man.
Of course. So
Both you and I need to hit it, bro.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. So check it out. They have so much space. They turn this into a gym, their own personal gym. I mean, look how much space there is. You have a full like Crunch Fitness in here.
Yeah, man. Got a full bath here. And then we have some closet space here. Editor, let's take this part out. All right, so Michael, we got now this dining room area, formal dining room area here.
Yeah, you can use it as a formal dining room area. I know a lot of families don't do that anymore. So you could turn this into like an office space.
I like that.
Maybe another, maybe you could push your husband over here and make his own little man cave,
I like that. So my aunt has something like this, and she actually turned this into like a bar, right?
Yeah, you could do that. A little
Yeah.
winery down here,
Yeah. All right, Michael. So we're gonna show them the rest of this space over here. All right. So we're walking in. I love how all this is open. If you show them the stairs that way, it's really open, right? So we got all that. Now you come to the great room. I love me a good great room. We have a fireplace right over there. Open space again, right? This is huge. You don't want to do anything else but have this be the living room over here. Now, instead of having like the formal dining room area where we had it, maybe set something up right here, right? Now you come over here, house is already set up, right? Has a lot of cabinets. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, these are kind of old school. And they are a little old school. But what a lot of people are doing right now is they're actually just painting these. Either like a gray on the bottom, or like a dark green, or dark blue, navy blue on the bottom, a white on top, adding some handles to it. People are always, you can change out the countertops on this really easy. You do all that, you spend maybe a couple $1,000s instead of doing a full remodel on the house, right? Remodel on the kitchen, and you have a brand new kitchen, brand new space. So, Michael, let's take them out to the outside, man.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right, bro, let's take them out.
All right, like we said, this house does not get any bigger than this. 10,000 square foot lot approximately. Look at all the space. I know it's not done yet. You got your cones, your construction, but think of this as something you can entertain with. You can even put a pool in here. It's got the space for it. You could put a gazebo, whatever you need, it fits back here. So this is prime Moreno Valley. This is what you're looking for when you're looking for a backyard.
So yeah, man, I'm looking at this right here, and you're right. I wasn't actually thinking about the pool part when we first walked out here. But if you think about it, and you really wanted a pool, can you imagine setting yourself up right there with the pool, having like the slide right over there on that corner over there?
Jumping rock, something like that?
Yeah, exactly. And still have plenty of space to entertain. So Yeah, I actually really like that idea. If you put some grass there, it's gonna look different already. So, all right, man, let's make our way in.
So now let's move up to the upstairs. It just gets bigger. This house is just huge. The family just needs something a little bit smaller because they don't know what to do with it. So let's go check it out. Like Robert said earlier, this is very open, it's lively, you can do a lot with it. So right here to your right, you have your first bedroom. And we got your, your shared bathroom. This is pretty much what all the bedrooms are going to be sharing. And then this is another bedroom, but the owners turned it into their own personal office.
All right, so now we're flipping it up on them. Again, I love the way this looks. It looks like it's a little luxury, right? And then you walk in, we have another bedroom over here. I'm still trying to catch my breath from coming up the stairs. What everybody wants to see is gonna be the master bedroom. Look at all the space here. Huge bed, right? They have all this furniture in here, and I can still, come down here, do some push-ups. I'm not gonna do it because I'm still trying to catch my breath from downstairs, but looks really good. You walk in, you got the his and hers. You got the little makeup section here, bathtub, shower. So if you have kids, like I know they shower their kids here, or their son right now, and they got another one on the way. And then we got the shower over there, toilet, and then we have a walk-in closet. They still have their personal stuff in there. We're gonna keep out of it for now. But this is probably one of my favorite parts of the house with everything else that it has already. Now, should we go show them the loft, man?
Let's go show them.
Because the loft is great here. And it's almost like, I've been in here enough to know, oh, again, laundry room area, closet there. Everybody knows what that looks like. We walk over here and look at all this space here. And you might be thinking, Robert, why is this part empty right now? Because they have no need for it. It's so, it's on, their whole lives on that side of the house. We always joked around growing up, oh, where's this at? Oh, it's at the west wing of the house. There's no west wing. Here, there kind of is. There's an east wing, west wing. So they didn't know what to do with this. So they're like, hey, we're not even gonna go that way. But this is perfect for a family that even has maybe 2 older kids, and they want to be in here and like, hey, this is your huge room, almost like a little mini suite, man. So I think that's a really good option there.
And you could kick your guests all the way out to the other side of the house.
Yeah.
With their own hotel room.
Yeah, you can have definitely a guest room. All right. All right, Michael. So, this is basically the house right here. No HOA, great space, nearly 3,400 square feet. Now, the price of this home, what's the price gonna be, man?
The price is gonna be $690. So right under that 700,000 range.
Right under 700,000, so it's a great price range for the area. The house actually next door just sold for $695, so we're giving you guys a little discount. And really, the discount was because that one had a little bit of landscaping in the back, but it wasn't as nice and as big as this one. So I'm really excited about it, man. Guys, if you guys are looking to schedule a showing for this house, we are going to be having open houses and all that, but if you want to work with us directly, there's going to be a link in our description where you can book a 15-minute call to see if this home's the right fit, or maybe another home is right here in Southern California. We serve mostly all of Southern California, from San Fernando Valley all the way to San Diego, and then up to about Banning. We'll even send you out with somebody to 29 Palms, which is about an hour away from where we're at right now. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you really want to get the details without calling us right away, there's always a number and a text code below. You can text that, get the information, and get on your way. All right, guys, like I always say, Michael, thank you again for showing us this beautiful home. SoCal Cedeno, out.